Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from SONY XPERIA 5.4 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, choose whatever you wish to in Notifications pop-up. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by clicking on OK. Now do exactly the same on the other device. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. When you're ready, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your SONY and Receive over here on an Android. Now you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on Android smartphone, pick the best option for your ads. In my case, no thanks. Click on Close this window and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing your camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!